Hi guys, now you are watching top 5 best lug wrenches. Number 5, WORKPRO. Chrome plated drop forged steel for torque, strength, and durability. Folding design allows for easy storage, suitable for your vehicle's roadside emergency kit. Universal for cars, light trucks, SUVs, RVs, and vans. Meets and exceeds ANSI specifications for added safety. Number 4, GTE. Double-duty ultra-strong steel construction, anti-slip grip, and rust-busting torque. This universal tire change kit doubles as a high-torque breaker bar. The most common standard sockets are built into this versatile lug nut wrench: 17 mm, 3/4, 19 mm, 21 mm, and an adapter for any other socket you need to use. Number 3, Gorilla Automotive. Telescoping handle extends to 21 inches for maximum leverage. Compacts to 14 inches for easy storage. Hardened steel and precision construction. A perfect replacement for your standard lug wrench. Polybag included for convenient storage. Number 2, EPAuto. Durability, made from forged heat-treated carbon steel. Corrosion resistant, chrome plated. 14 inches body length for easy leverage. 4 socket heads fit most common SAE and metric lug nut sizes. SAE, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, metric, 17 mm, 19 mm, 21 mm, 22 mm. Number 1, CARTMAN. Anti-slip design at handle. Extra protection centers for extra strength. Chrome-plated lug wrench. 6-point socket head ensures it fits snugly on hex-shaped lug nuts. Constructed of heat-treated, chromium vanadium steel with electroplating for high durability. Thanks for watching the video. For more information, subscribe my channel.